Hey, fourth grade. Today is a very special day here. This is Monday's video for you, but you know, we do it prior to help you, help us, help you. It's Friday, and we are having a superhero day here at school. The teachers are, and I wore this awesome towel cape because when I was young, back in the day, and you wanted to be a superhero, your mom would tie a dish towel around your neck. But I need you to see Mrs. Nelson's because she, as always, is gone really out of her way to look awesome. Oh, is she an apple? We're not sure. Is this a stem? I don't know.
And I'm wearing a tutu, and it won't come off, so that's probably going to be my attire for the next week.
12 videos.
I can't get it off. So, anyways.
Okay, kiddos. So today in English, we're talking about adjectives, which I know you guys are familiar with. I think that we're going to do some things that you aren't familiar with today. We're introducing them for the first time, and I wish so much, every part of me wishes that you were here so we could be doing it together, but we're not, and so we're going to make the best of it. So let's review a little bit about what adjectives are. Adjectives describe a noun. So a person, place, thing, or idea, they always describe a noun. So that is something we need to keep in our brains as we work through these sentences, that adjectives always describe a noun.
Do you want me to like interrupt you every once in a while so you feel like there's students here?
Oh, I would like that. And do exactly what the kids would do too, okay? So adjectives also answer questions. They answer what kind or how many, okay? So let's look at some sentences. This part is all review, kiddos. Over here is the new stuff. So stay here.
Oh.
We're gonna stay over here. Okay, so number one, Tyler bought a new basketball.
I have a cousin named Tyler.
Oh my. Tyler bought a new basketball.
Can we play basketball at recess?
Awesome. Okay, so tell me, where would you divide this sentence, Gabrielle? Where does the subject end and the predicate begin? You are correct, ma'am. Right here between Tyler and bought. Kirsten, what is our simple subject? Our simple subject, correct, is Tyler. Sarabella, what is Tyler? What did he do? What is he doing? He bought. Tyler bought. Now, Lauren, is there a word that is describing a noun in the sentence? Very good. New is an adjective, and so we're going to label it like this, ADJ. Now, some of you are going to do an excellent job at writing ADJ above our adjectives. Some of you, it's going to look like this. And I'm going to have no idea what you just wrote. You need to slow it down, and I need to be able to tell that it says ADJ for adjective. That's important because down the line, there's another abbreviation that we're going to put above words that's very similar to this. So ADJ. Okay, a new basketball. This adjective is describing the basketball. It's a new basketball. Basketball is a noun, okay? So we could change this adjective to orange. Oh, no. Then we'd have to do this. An orange basketball, okay? Basketball is your noun. New is describing basketball. Now, ask yourself this, kiddos. What question is new answering? Is it answering what kind or how many? New is what kind? Okay, let's look at sentence 2. It cost $10. I think I'm with Luke. Luke, where do I divide my sentence? It costs $10. Right between it and cost, you are correct, sir. And Abby, Bobabby, what is my subject? My subject is it. And Jackson, what is my verb? My verb is cost. It cost. Now, I'm back to Gabrielle. Gabrielle, do you see an adjective? An adjective is a word describing a noun in this sentence. The adjective here is 10. 10 is describing what? It's describing dollars. Ask yourself, kiddos, what question is being answered? What kind or how many? 10 answers the question, how many? Okay. At this point, I would say, any questions? However, we can't have that discussion, can we? Okay, let's look at the third one. The sunset is beautiful. I am with Kirsten. Tell me where I'm dividing this. We're dividing between sunset and is, Sarabella, what's our subject? The subject is sunset. Lauren, what is our verb? Our verb is, that's a special verb. Lauren, do you remember what that's called? Correct, ma'am. It's called a linking verb. Okay, Luke, I'm with you. Sunset is beautiful. What is the adjective or an adjective in this sentence? The adjective in this sentence is beautiful. And Abby, what is beautiful describing? I'm actually turning to where they're sitting. Or they would be sitting. Beautiful is describing sunset. Okay? So, does beautiful answer the question what kind or how many, Jackson? It answers the question how many.
Nope.
It answers the question.
No, you're putting it in the right spot.
Yeah,
You just said the
okay.
right.
Sorry. It answers the question what kind. Thank you, Mrs. Nelson. And I'm using my hand to erase it.
Yeah.
No. I apologize, Janu, even though you're not even going to see this video. Okay, what kind is beautiful? Before we move on to the new stuff, kiddos, I want you to see something. Oh, poo. I want you to know something, even though that one of these wasn't on the board.
You want to write one real quick? You want me to pause it? What do you want me to do?
Yeah, pause it for a second.